This gluten-free bread is excellent for everyday use, and it's excellent also for a stuffing. So heat your oven to 350 degrees, and then in our bowl we're going to put 1.5 cups blanched almond flour, a teaspoon of xanthan gum, a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and then mix it all together. Add 6 eggs, 1/3 cup olive oil, 1/3 cup water, and for the stuffing, I love the 5 drops of thyme essential oil, but you don't have to do that for everyday bread. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, whisk it all together. You can see it's a very thin batter. Pour it into a parchment paper lined loaf pan and bake it for about 45 minutes. Beautiful loaf. Take it out of the pan and out of the parchment, and you can see as we slice it how nice it is. Awesome.